What's up guys, this is Ref and welcome back. So for today's video, we'll be doing an unboxing, probably of the best phone of the year, which is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I initially didn't opt in to buy this last January and waited for a few months as my S24 Ultra is really doing good still. I'm not really compelled also to upgrade since for me, there's really no big difference between two phones at first. But of course, I got curious this time. So this is a titanium color with 12 gig of RAM and 256 gig of storage. One good thing and improvement on unboxing the Galaxy Ultra phone this year is we got a free power brick, which last year I haven't received on my S24 Ultra. Not only this just a regular power brick, but a 25 watts fast charging power brick. So without any further ado, let's unbox it. Here is the black titanium S25 Ultra. The black titanium really looks good and better than expected. I never really liked the black camera rings because it makes the S25 Ultra look cheap, but it complements her on this black titanium color. Let's try to check some other things on the box as well. As usual, we have the SIM ejector tool here. We also have some paper documentations for manual and warranty stuff. Then lastly, we have the USB Type-C to Type-C connector for charging and transferring files. Let's get back to the main event, which is the S25 Ultra. So first impression, wow, this thing is beauty still. This really looks good and feels premium. The big changes is that there are no sharp edges. All sides now are flat. Its frame on its sides are better now and upgraded to titanium grade 5, which make it the same with the 16 Pro Max for better protection. The layout of the power button, volume button, speakers, charging port, and the S Pen are still the same. It is much lighter now at 218 grams comparing to 232 grams of its predecessor. It is also less wider and thinner than before, and this make it much grippier and better to hold now. For S Pen, it was downgraded unfortunately. It doesn't have the Bluetooth anymore, although it is much lighter now and still clicky as it before. The screen is now much bigger and it is now at 6.9-inch OLED screen. And let's remove this plastic sticker on its display. So here it is. It does have this upgraded anti-reflective display, which is really great especially when using it outdoor. Let's try to turn it on and set it up first. So we are able to set it up now. The moment you pick up the Galaxy S25 Ultra, it feels like you're holding the future. The bezel-less display is absolutely mesmerizing, a true edge-to-edge canvas that melts into your hand, with no distractions, no interruptions. Colors are vivid, blacks are deep, and brightness punches through even under harsh sunlight. Samsung has clearly redefined immersive viewing once again. Performance-wise, the S25 Ultra is a powerhouse. Every swipe, every tap, every app launch feels instantaneous. Powered by the latest chipset, it breezes through multitasking. This is updated to One UI 7 as well, and its animations are really great and better than before. Whether you're scrolling, streaming, or pushing it to its limits, the S25 Ultra responds with smooth and effortless speed. Definitely I'll be testing more this phone for its final review, and I'm also curious on its upgraded ultra-wide camera and its upgraded Galaxy AI features. So that is my unboxing and first impression of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So thank you for watching my video, please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.